In 1986, when we founded our shipyard to design and build fast boats in advanced composites, our dream was to become a world leader in our field. The indications were not favourable that such an ambitious undertaking would succeed, but a few handmade boats that we created with such pride and pleasure left us free to build boats just the way we wanted them. After nearly 2 decades, we are happy to see that we have customers who share our ideals. Today, Yonca Onuk is an industrial-scale enterprise with a modern shipyard capable of serial production of state-of-the-art pleasure commercial and naval craft. We are proud that, with a highly specialized, dedicated workforce capable of creating our own concepts, developing our own technology, and building to perfection, Yonca Onuk is now a technology leader, a standard setter, just as we dreamed in 1986. Our struggle continues in research and development of new technologies in order to hold the leading position won by imaginative application of our skills and resources. This will ensure that, now and in the future, we will continue to fulfill our customers' requirements and keep our commitments. Yonca Onuk Shipyard is situated in Tuzla, Istanbul. In this modern undercover facility, the highly skilled and dedicated workforce, working to very high standards, is producing our outstanding boats. Engineering and production are to the DNV classification rules and naval standards in full compliance with the very stringent ACAP quality assurance system. We believe that the precision and care in the work is the safest method for producing the quality. The multi-role tactical platform concept was created as a family of highly capable fast platforms for tomorrow's defense and law enforcement duties. The use of fast platforms with superior seakeeping and maneuvering characteristics is nowadays the vital requirement in the defense and law enforcement duties in brown waters. Mastery of the littoral should not be presumed. It does not derive directly from the command of the high seas. It is an objective which requires our focused skills and resources. Setting the objectives of the MRTP concept, Khan Onuk pointed out that, in the 21st century, forces willing to command the coastal waters as well as the open seas should, for the design of their platforms, focus on these 3 factors, the 3 S's of the MRTP program: speed, seakeeping, stealth. To achieve these objectives, advanced composites and technologies are used extensively to maximize range, mission and weapon payload, speed, shallow water capabilities, reliability, availability, maintainability, reconfigurability and multi-mission capability, minimizing, on the other hand, cost, boat size, crew size and signatures. The use of advanced composites in the construction of Onuk MRTP boats will provide weight reduction translating into improved performance, increased payload and fuel savings, extreme corrosion resistance to give longer service life and maintenance savings, enhanced signature reduction by control of acoustic signatures, infrared emissions and radar cross-section. The Advanced Composites Khan 15 class Onuk MRTP 15 fast intervention craft is the first boat of the MRTP family. Developed for the increasingly tough requirements of the law enforcement and naval forces to control the littoral and coastal waters, Onuk MRTP 15 will carry out a wide range of duties including search and rescue, anti-smuggling, pollution control, anti-terrorist protection, protection of the coastal and offshore installations, surveillance, covert surveillance, patrol, escort, attack, seal insertion extraction. Depending on engine selection and configuration, the proven Onuk KO02 Deep V hull will enable the boat to reach speeds in excess of 70 knots in Sea State 2 and above 50 knots in Sea State 3, allowing rapid reaction comparable to a helicopter, but can be used in confined spots or heavy weathers not suitable for helicopter use. Onuk MRTP 15 is one of the fastest known platforms below 20 meters with a mission payload capability in excess of 1.5 tons. The seakeeping capabilities of the Onuk MRTP-15, used extensively by the Turkish Coast Guard since 1997 and other navies of the world, are well proven in operation. The boat has a soft, dry and extremely safe ride in most adverse conditions. The hull and superstructure are constructed in accordance with DNV rules, and all boats of the series are delivered with relevant DNV certificates. The propulsion is by twin MTU common rail diesel engines driving through twin-disc Arneson service drives with roller propellers or through MJP water jets. The mechanical components are selected with intensive professional use in mind and offer a high level of reliability despite the extreme performance requirements. The helm station and interiors have been designed in line with the Society of Automotive Engineers' recommended practices for ergonomics to provide maximum crew comfort and minimum fatigue in prolonged use in heavy seas. Onuk MRTP-15 can be equipped with various mission modules depending on the customer mission requirements to increase the operational flexibility and reduce life cycle costs. Much larger, therefore with highly enhanced open seas capabilities, the Advanced Composites 90-ton fast patrol craft Onuk MRTP-29 Khan 29 class of the Turkish Coast Guard, as all MRTP platforms, is designed to carry out a wide range of duties including search and rescue, anti-smuggling, pollution control, anti-terrorist protection, protection of the coastal and offshore installations, surveillance, covert surveillance, patrol escort, attack, seal insertion extraction. The Onuk MRTP-29, developed for a tough professional use with excellent performance qualities at both low and high speeds with strong emphasis on seakeeping and maneuverability, uses the mission-proven Onuk OE-01 deep V-hull successfully tank-tested at 68 knots. At sea state 4, Onuk MRTP-29 is capable of speeds in excess of 35 knots in all directions. Onuk MRTP-29 is built to DNV HSLC rules as well as Turkish Navy and NATO naval standards. The DNV-approved advanced composite structure is designed for speeds in excess of 45 knots at sea state 4. The high-speed propulsion system is by twin MTU 16V 4000 M90 diesels driving through MJP 753DD water jets. The MJP waterjet system provides extreme maneuverability with high precision control and a very shallow draft. Depending on mission requirements, the Onuk MRTP-29 can be equipped with various systems such as multi-sensor surveillance suites, up to 30mm stabilized naval turrets, short-range surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles, and anti-ship missile system up to 4 tons. Onuk MRTP-33 Fast Patrol Attack Craft is the extended and improved version of Onuk MRTP-29 with increased payload and better seakeeping to satisfy and exceed the future needs of the worldwide customers for the control and superiority in coastal waters. Built on the mission-proven Onuk OE-01 hull and DNV-classified advanced composite structure designed for speeds in excess of 45 knots at sea state 4, the Onuk MRTP-33 can feature besides the all-diesels a Kodag propulsion driving through MJP water jets for increased mission flexibility and operational reliability. The Onuk MRTP-33 can be equipped with various systems such as multi-sensor surveillance suites, up to 30mm stabilized naval turrets, short-range surface-to-surface and surface-to-air missiles, and is designed in the attack version to accommodate a battery of 4 medium-range anti-ship missile system, making it a fearsome player in hostile waters. Using the mission-proven state-of-the-art technology from Onuk MRTP family, the Yonca S line, a range of high-performance luxury yachts, has been developed. Yonca S21, based on the Onuk MRTP-20 hull and technology, is a high-performance offshore yacht capable of speeds in excess of 75 knots with off-the-shelf NTU diesel engines. The jewel of the crown, Yonca S36, based on the Onuk MRTP-33 hull and technology, is a radical machine capable of speeds in excess of 68 knots, accommodating 8 guests in extreme luxury and styling. Yonca Onuk is also designing and building Onuk sports cars. Broadening our knowledge and applying it correctly will continue to be our style, enforcing the boundaries in order to stay in front. In this extremely dynamic environment, we are perfectly aware that the only sustainable advantage is learning faster than the competition.